Hello everyone, so I'm just inside Dollar Tree and I'm noticing that they have put out some new things I hadn't seen before. So they have a variety of table covers this year that I hadn't seen before. I grabbed one of these actually, it's already in my cart. It's just a coloring page, but they're really great. We like them. And then they have some novelty plates and napkins here as well. Really like the doilies as well for paper crafting. These are paper, so they're easy to even wrap a gift with. I just like them with some twine or a special type of bow or ribbon. Have you seen the cookie cutters at your Dollar Tree? They have these different shapes here. This one's I think like an ugly sweater or a Christmas tree. You can make ornaments with these, make a wreath with them. The molds are awesome. These I've never seen before. So this is the first Dollar Tree I've spotted them at. Maybe they sold out everywhere else. There's a snowman, Santa. Be cute if you put cookies on it and then wrap it in cellophane. I bought these for fall. They had some really cute prints, but for Christmas it looks like there's only one, unless other ones sold. There's some paper plates here with rectangular shape. I'm not sure if you're using them for a DIY or something like that. Lots of bins. These little accessories are perfect for a parade or a Christmas concert. They have little plastic cups here with straws. The little DIY ornaments are still here. And the white ornaments. I'm not sure if things are not selling as much as they used to. I love these little ceramic plates. Aren't they the sweetest? What are you using them for? I would almost repaint them and do them up differently for my craft room. Has anyone been able to repurpose these into like a little tote? Maybe if you layered something thicker under it. These are different this year. Mine are a little bit whiter. These I feel like a yellow undertone. Has anyone decorated with these? Are these solar powered? I know they're LED lights, so I was just wondering if they need batteries. I love these little mugs. They're adorable, and I think would be really cute as a pen holder or marker, pencil holder. There's the two. So I think I've decided on this one in these little trays. Really nice Hallmark cards this year. And then, of course, I always like looking at their regular cards. Somebody's left a nutcracker here, which I think is adorable. And there aren't very many of them left. Probably one of my favorite things to find are stickers, especially seasonal stickers. And I don't know, but like Dollar Tree hasn't been stepping up their game with seasonal stickers this year. So maybe in the spring or next year. They do have a lot of wood though. Did anyone do anything with it? Lots of dishware. I love the silver, not this one specifically. It's just the silver snowflakes. Let's see if it's in here. And sometimes you don't know what else is back here. See, this one's beautiful. It's probably my favorite dish from Dollar Tree. And it's not like that. I don't know how to explain it. The ceramic is light. It's not that heavy. Ceramic, even the dinner salad plates or dessert plates. How beautiful. And this one's a really pretty set too, but the ceramic feels different. It's a heavier, rougher feel. It doesn't have that dainty. And then I can't set the bowl here for you to show. This one here matches the other snowflakes, which is pretty, this one here. And you know how much I love making pillows out of the placemats, so if you find a nice placemat, you can do the same. I think these are new this year. I love the velvety ornaments here at Dollar Tree, and they had 3 colors, I think. They also have a lot of the little disco ball that's really trendy. The different colors are red, they have silver, and then a gold, but It's like a yellowy gold. This one here. They actually have a lot of ornaments still left. And there's a little truck too. A few of these still kicking around. I thought they would have sold really quick. I'm actually looking to do something with pastels and some paper crafts. So I think these are going to work perfect. I'm not sure if I need these ones here. I think these are more pink. I don't know. I'll have to... These are disco tile stickers. So little individual pieces here. And they're super mirrored. You see my hand reflection really well. Let's just take a look at some other stickers here. Lots of stamps as well. This is the only Dollar Tree I've seen these at. They're puffy stickers. These little wooden boxes are perfect. If you paint them brown and add little white accents, you can make gingerbread houses with them. And I was thinking of making a Christmas box with this one here, adding little charms and stuff to the outside. I'm not sure exactly, but I was thinking about it. It's a nice box. I'm really happy to see that they've been restocking all their seed beads. It had been a while since I spotted some, and all these packages are amazing. There's 3 different glitter. There's chunky glitter and little shapes. So if you're a paper crafter, I think you'll appreciate that, especially if you make shaker pockets. What else do they have here? These are the chunky glitter, which is pretty pricey everywhere else. You know that. So you would know that if you're using it. Pink yarn. Actually, you know what? I might even need this. Have you tried these Theoline's sticky glue? I like this pen actually. It has like a finer tip. It's made by Forever and Time, and then they have all the ink pads right now available for stamping as well with the stamp block. They have a few 6x6 pads here. I actually find that their paper is fantastic if you are making cards or pocket letters, that sort of thing. They're really practical. And then they have these as well, more like a cardstock, not poster board, but cardstock. I mean, I think it's fantastic. They even have glittery pages. These are great if you're starting out a collection of paper. It has a variety of different colors and textures. I'm not sure. I don't think they go. Let's see if there's any glitter packs in here. It's amazing that every store has like a different variety. These are more of an ombre. So I'm hoping to find, I'm not sure if this is the pink I need. So maybe I will substitute it here for this one. Yeah, I think this and the greenish blue would be perfect. Nope. It's hard sometimes when you're trying to match colors. And now I'm tempted by ribbon. So this is all the Christmas ribbon that's left. Not too long ago it was fully stocked. And these are like, Yeah, this is kind of fun. Let me see if I can make this work. How pretty are these prints? These are flannel. I just don't know what anybody's making with them. Do you quilt with them? I don't think so. And these are all new. So typically you'd find like small rolls, and I think it was like this. And now they have these new longer plushy rolls without the hard stuff on the bottom. I'm not sure if I'm explaining this correctly, but oh my gosh, I'm loving this print. It's so adorable. But yeah, these are soft rolls. Lots of flannel here. Must be part of the winter line. I was looking for some paper straws, but I don't see the ones I was hoping to find. These are new. They're fun for a birthday person. These are also new to me. I have not spotted the diverse Santa boxes at any other Dollar Tree, so really nice to find them. And then they have all of these that you can turn into a cute little mailbox post, or your elf can bring letters. That's what we used to do. Our elf used to bring us special letters in the mailbox. So there's lots of ideas for them. Oh, they also have some square ones here. These are sweet because they're like a fancy feel box. They have compartments to how they open. It's hard for me to share with one hand. So these are the faux books. Very cute. I did have to come to the party aisle, so I thought I'd share some of the fun prints here. I know mostly Christmas wrapping paper is probably on people's minds, but it's also so nice to see this is a wedding wrap and birthday wrap, because we know there's still birthdays out there. Oh, and the baby shower wrap, super cute too. But I am going to look at some of the birthday supplies, so I'll take you over. These are great, actually, if you wanted to customize a box. I love when things are just simple. And now my brain is turning for paper crafts. As soon as I see something like this, I'm like, what can I make with it? And look at this. They've already done the shaker for you. How adorable is this banner? And these are foiled balloons with, oh my gosh, so cute. A foiled balloon with a little happy birthday words coming down. I love it. They've really done a great job bringing in more birthday decor. Confetti can also be used as paper crafting. These little guys, I don't know, I always look at stuff like this where I can take things apart. These are beautiful for New Year's. And Dollar Tree keeps putting out new birthday plates. So I'm here back at trying to decide what I'm going to be doing with my paper. So I found these cute cards where I'm going to fussy cut some of the stuff out. And I always like looking. See, there's a little gingerbread, then there's the background, cookies. And just to give you an idea, they do have some acrylic cover, Mod Podge, 3D paint effect. I've never tried these. Has anyone tried them? They're new to me. I don't think I've ever seen these here. If they work well, please let me know, because I'm always looking for a good 3D effect. They have chalk paint, and then they have, of course, acrylic paint as well. This is a pretty color. I maybe mix the two and get it a little bit lighter. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. I apologize, my battery died and I was trying to film quickly the last little bits there at Dollar Tree. Until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
Tears hit the ground. I was love.